Hello and welcome to Nime's 3 days weather forecast. About a month ago, moisture influx was getting to about 8 degrees north of the country, but as we speak, we have it getting to about 10 degrees north of the country, putting areas around Niger, Kaduna, part of Taraba under moisture-bearing conditions, and we expect this to increase the rate of pre-season activities over parts of the country. Having said that, there are still chances of dust haze reducing visibility to about 2,000 to 5,000 meters over the northeastern part of the country, and we expect this to be the condition we expect on Wednesday evening. We also expect isolated cases of thunderstorm around the inland of the southwest getting to the inland as far as Niger, part of the inland of Ekiti, Akure, part of Ijebu-Ode and Lagos are also likely to see some thunderstorms. As well, over the coast of the southeast, we expect areas around Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, Warri to also experience some thunderstorms before the end of today, while areas around Ibi and part of Makurdi could also see some activities of thunderstorms before the end of Wednesday. We expect temperatures to rise to about 43 degrees Celsius over part of the northeast of the country, over areas around Yobe and Maiduguri, while part of the northwest we have temperature rise to about 40 degrees Celsius. Around the central states, we expect part of Kaduna to have temperature around 36 degrees Celsius, while Abuja is also likely to report temperature as high as 36 degrees Celsius. Over the coast, we expect temperature of about 33 to 36 degrees Celsius over cities like Eket, Port Harcourt, and Calabar. As we move into Thursday, we expect partly cloudy and sunny conditions over most parts of the country, with the presence of dust expected over the fringes of the north, parts of Kano, Katsina, and Dutse. We expect this to reduce visibility to about 2,000 to 5,000 meters as well in the course of Thursday, while areas around the south will have most predominantly partly cloudy conditions to cloudy conditions. There are ample chances of thunderstorms in the afternoon over most inland areas, including part of the central states, as far as part of Abuja, Kaduna, and Jos. Part of the high ground of the southwest and that of the southeast, including areas around Enugu, are also likely to see isolated cases of thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon and evening hours, while we can also not rule out isolated cases of thunderstorm over the coast of Port Harcourt, Warri, in Delta State as well. We expect temperatures to also exacerbate a bit over the north of the country, with most areas likely to report temperature in the early 40s. We expect areas around the central states to have temperature range from 33 over Jos Plateau to about 37 over Kaduna, while as we move into the inland of the south, we expect temperature to rise to as high as 37 degrees Celsius over the inland of the southeast and as high as 35 degrees Celsius over most cities in the southwestern part of the country. We look forward to Friday also, giving us a stable morning over most parts of the south of the country, how we expect poor visibility conditions as a result of dust haze over the northern part of the country, where visibility could be reduced in some locations to less than 1,000 meters. Getting to the afternoon, we also still fancy some chances of isolated cases of thunderstorms over the high ground of the central cities before the end of the day, while part of the inland of the southwest and coast of the southeast are also likely to see isolated cases of thunderstorms over the southeast. We expect this to be the spate of activities on Friday. While this is likely to play out with the temperatures, as most areas in the north are likely to have temperatures within 38 to 41 degrees Celsius over most cities, like Kano reporting 39 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, temperatures are still likely to range between 33 to 38 degrees Celsius, while as we move to the south, we still expect temperature to be as high as 36 in some inland areas of the south. While as we move to the coastal areas, we expect areas around Port Harcourt and Calabar to have temperature as high as 31 degrees Celsius. And that's where we'll leave you for this update of Name's 3 days weather forecast.